Hi everyone, welcome to Maths Par. This video is about locus of a point. So locus of a point is singular whereas loci is plural. So what do you mean by this locus? Locus is the path traced by moving a point that moves according to a given geometrical condition. How? Say, suppose locus of a point for a fixed point A is the path that is around it sweeping equal distance like radius. So this path is locus of a point for a fixed point. For a fixed point means locus of a point that is equidistant from a point is the circle around it, means each and every point on this is equidistant from center A. So locus of a point is the path traced by moving one particular point which moves which moves which moves according to a given geometrical condition, that is radius. Then locus of a point that is equidistant from two fixed points A and B. Locus of a point equidistant from these 2 points. Equidistance means where should be the point. The point can be here, the point can be here, the point can be here, the point can be here. So we can draw a line segment like this, which is the perpendicular bisector of the line segment formed by joining these two fixed points. Don't assume that this particular perpendicular bisector is locus of a point which is equidistant from the line segment. No, locus of a point which is equidistant means everywhere. Suppose if you take a point P here, that is at equal distance from A and equal distance from B. Suppose if you take another point Q here, then that is equidistant from A as well as equidistant from B. So locus of a point equidistant from two fixed points is the perpendicular bisector drawn to the line segment joining these 2 points. Then locus of a point equidistant from two intersecting line segments at a common point or two intersecting lines at a common point P, that is the angle bisector, because if you take some point D here, then if you observe here, this distance and this distance will be same, as well as suppose if you take one point here, then the distance and the distance are same here. So similarly here also this is the locus of point and this is also the locus of point. So locus of point which is equidistant from two intersecting lines is the angle bisector of those two lines. So these three are the key concepts, but Let us learn few more locus of point. Locus of a point for a circle. Locus of a point for a fixed point is a circular path. So can we say that locus of a point for a circle is a center of circle? No. It is a path which is traced inside the circle and outside the circle at equal distance. At equal distance. So locus of a point that is equidistant from a circle is two concentric circles. Then locus of a point for a line segment AB, that is locus of a point which is equidistant from a line segment AB is two parallel lines which are equidistant from the line segment AB. So suppose if two line segments are given, AB is one line segment and CD is the other line segment, then what is the locus of point which is equidistant from these two line segments? Is the path traced in between them at a equal distance from both the line segments. Suppose if two concentric circles are drawn, then the locus of point is in between them at equal distance d from both the circles. Then suppose, do the curves have the locus of point? Yes. Suppose if you have a curve like this, then what will be the locus of point? That is equidistant from the curve, that is D. So this is the concept of locus of a point that is equidistant from a point, from two fixed points, from two intersecting lines. Locus of a point which is equidistant from a circle, which is locus of a point which is equidistant from a line segment, locus of a point which is equidistant from two line segments, locus of a point which is equidistant from two concentric circles. Let us apply these concepts in the sums. Thank you.